Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a couple named Emma and James. They had been together for many years and were deeply in love. Their relationship seemed perfect, filled with love, laughter, and trust. One day, Emma received an exciting job offer from a prestigious company in another city. She was overjoyed and told James about it immediately. James, despite his own personal concerns, supported Emma's decision and assured her that he would stand by her no matter what. But as the time went on and Emma settled into her new job, something began to change. She started coming home late, often exhausted and distant. James noticed her behavior and became increasingly worried. His mind began to wander, questioning if Emma was being faithful to him or if something else was going on. Unable to control his doubts, James confronted Emma about his insecurities. Emma was taken aback by his accusation and tears filled her eyes. She realized that her actions had unintentionally caused James to doubt her trustworthiness. Deeply hurt, Emma explained that her long hours were due to the overwhelming demand of her new job. She had been too caught up in her own world to realize how her actions were affecting James. She reassured him of her love and loyalty, promising to make their relationship a priority once again. Upon hearing Emma's heartfelt explanation, James felt a wave of relief wash over him. He realized that he had allowed his fears to overshadow the strength of their bond. He took a step back and chose to trust Emma once more. From that day forward, Emma and James made a conscious effort to rebuild the trust in their relationship. They communicated openly, reassured each other, and made time for regular date nights. As they focused on strengthening their connection, their love grew even deeper. The moral of this story is that trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. Trust allows us to believe in our partner's loyalty, honesty, and commitment. But trust needs constant care and attention. We must actively work together to maintain it, especially during challenging times. Insecurities and doubts may occasionally cloud our judgment, but it's important to address them openly and honestly. By fostering a culture of trust, we create a safe and secure environment where love can flourish. Remember, trust is fragile but also resilient. It can be broken, but with genuine effort, understanding, and forgiveness, it can be rebuilt. Ultimately, it is the driving force that can help a relationship withstand the test of time.